Poppy Playtime 5 is getting shredded! The prototype! Is he gone for good? Mommy Longlegs, who used to be Oof, got brought back to life? She's alive again! Wait a second, Doughy, careful, bro, you're in danger! They are cloning you to become even more powerful than you were before, but this time, even more evil! Family, what if I told you the evil villains from Poppy Playtime 5 are getting shredded in the shredder? And what if I told you we can bring some of the evil villains from past chapters back to life? Hey, Mommy Longlegs! I really wish you would stay in the grave! Because apparently in today's video, you're getting a second chance. Doughy the Dough Man, don't even get me started on you. So family, please smash like on today's video to make sure we have the best chance at fighting off these evil monsters. And make sure you stick around to the very end of today's video to see the hidden secret of what happens to Doughy the Dough Man. Okay, here we are, unfortunately, in Playtime Co. I think really shortly, oh no! The prototype!
You die for this.
Go away!
No more games.
What? Are you saying?
I'm going to kill you.
Wait, prototype, chill. Stay away, bro. You don't want to mess with us. Look, family, the prototype's getting frozen. And that shredder is about to shred him. Whoa. He's trying to lift up the shredder. Is it gonna work? Whoa! POV, the spiders in my house after the bottom of my shoe stomps on them. And all their arms and legs go squirmy, squirm, squirm. Okay, wait, where could we possibly be off to next? Whoa, that's the prototype dead. Oh, or maybe not. How did the prototype survive that?
Special guest is here.
Wait, there's no way he can't possibly be here. Oh, great. Yep, the prototype is still alive, even after he got shredded alive. Don't we love that? All right, family, next conspiracy is Mommy Longlegs. Now, we all remember her from chapter 2. She went ooh because she got shredded in the shredder. Then the prototype took her behind the door with his creepy prototype hand. And then we never, ever, ever saw Mommy Longlegs again. But look at this behind-the-scenes footage of Mommy Longlegs getting dragged by the prototype. Whoa! Is he gonna use her arms and legs to put on his robotic body? Oh. Or even worse, put her in a bird cage. Danger? What is this? Wait. Is that a robotic body? For Mommy? There's no way. Do you think that's what this is for? Family, comment down below what you think this is right now. Because the prototype is clearly working on something. He's taking Mommy Longlegs' head and torso. Oh my gosh. And he's welding it to the robotic body. Oh! And taking out her eyeballs that she used to have and replacing it with these red ones. Now comes the time to fix her brain. Now, family, if all of these experiments work, then that means the prototype will have successfully brought Mommy Longlegs back to life. I don't know what that is, but it looks like lava. Ooh, it goes in the syringe. And what is he gonna do? Oh! That one's gotta hurt. Dead or alive. Whoa, Mommy Longlegs! What are they doing to you? She's going crazy. Is she alive? Family, the prototype's done it. Mommy Longlegs is revived.
Where is he?
You will soon find it.
Oh my gosh. Mommy Longlegs sounds even creepier and more evil than before. And now here she is walking down the hallway. Let's see who she wants to torment today. Oh. Whoa, she's more scrappy than she used to be. She is alive for a second time, and now this spider girl thing is on a mission. Run away, little humans! Mommy Longlegs is coming after you. Oh. Yep, that's not good. And don't forget, her arms are endlessly long. So she can grab along to quite literally anything she wants. Goodbye, human number 2. Goodbye, human number 3. Goodbye, human number 4. And now they're all gone. Family, no! We have revived a monster! But of course the prototype was gonna make the new version of Mommy Longlegs even more evil than she was before. This was clearly his whole plan. And according to the prototype, this experiment is successful. Alright, family, next up we have the secret scene of Doughy the Dough Man in danger. Ew! And look who's back, none other than the prototype. What do you got up your sleeve today, bro? Not some new experiments, right? Oh. Okay, that potion seems to turn everything frozen. Okay. Where's Doughy the Dough Man? I thought he already went. Ooh. Can't you please just leave all of these rejected toys alone? They've already been through too much. Oh. Flamethrower fixes the arm. Ooh. But now I guess we have to go back to Doughy's dungeon. And this is where he's dripping everywhere. And basically made his own swimming pool. A Doughy the Dough Man nugget that quickly liquefies and turns into liquid. But now the prototype is sucking up all of that Doughy the Dough Man's juice. And now the prototype's saying, it's coming with you. Uh-oh. What's he gonna do with it all? Probably another crazy experiment that is incredibly dangerous. But family, smash like on today's video if you want to see what is about to happen to this experiment of Doughy the Dough Man. Okay, we've brought the doughy liquid into the experimentation room. And what is about to happen next? I don't really know. Okay. It's going. It's spinning. And look how creepy the prototype looks. What could he possibly want? Whoa! It filtered all the different colors and separated them into different tubes. Oh gosh, he just pressed the big red button. That can't be good, can it? Wait, that's a bigger tube than we've ever seen before. That's huge! Is that where the final product goes? Okay, here's the red color. Oh, it's like a maze going through all these different pipes. And the red color is getting mixed in with the blue color. What color is that? That looks clear. Mixed with a little bit of red. Oh! It looks like a lava lamp. Uh-oh. Whatever it is, it looks very powerful and must be important if the prototype is bringing it to the next step. It's mixing in the lava lamp juice with the red and blue one. Oh no, and I don't know how this is gonna end. Whoa. Turned into this dark blue, red, purplish color. What's happening? Now the entire floor is getting filled up with this doughy juice? Prototype? What are you trying to do? He's testing it out. Is it good enough yet? Put the laser beams on it. Oh. No. Joey the Dough Man is being brought back to life. What? But a new version of him that looks even more angry. Uh-oh. Are they gonna fight? Even worse. He put on his hat.
You will soon find it.
And now even worse than that, the prototype and the more evil version of Joey the Dough Man are working together. Family, comment down below which Poppy Playtime character you want brought back to life, or which character you want that's already currently alive to be shredded in the shredder. Smash like on today's video, subscribe to AnythingAlexia, and click any video right here for the next AnythingAlexia episode. Me and all the Nugulate characters love you so much, and we'll see you all in tomorrow's video.